Yo, what up, guys? Blue Betty needs new wiper blades, Gussin blades on HOSONIC's Amazon store. It's supposed to be really cool blades. Whoa! No adapters in the box. Just the blades we need for our specific vehicle. All right. Threw me off a little bit. What? I got 4 instead of 2. Whoops. We're going to press this little clip in inside the wiper, and it's going to pull our wiper right out. We're going to be very gentle setting that on the glass because it is metal. See this little clip in here? You press on it, boom, comes out. So these are real flippity floppity and curvy. I popped this little clip up. It's kind of weird looking. I think it's just supposed to slide right in there. Yeah, slides right in there. Lock the tab down. Bada boom. That's that easy, I guess. I was a little intimidated by this clip because it's so bulky. It looks like they're really gonna hug the windshield. All right, I guess that's it. How to install wiper blades on a 04 Silverado. Probably fits a bunch of other years too, but I'll put a link to the store just because that's what I do. Catch you later.